Good Monday, everyone. Looking at our Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union weather headlines. Rain chances increasing this week. Best rain chances will come Tuesday through Thursday as it looks right now, and any storm could produce some localized flash flooding. I know some of y'all are still looking for some rain. You feel like you just keep getting missed. Maybe this will be your week. We got some good rain chances coming, and we're always watching the tropics, especially this time of the year. Premier Generators bringing us our level of concern. We're level 1 again today for that general thunderstorm risk. Not looking for anything too severe. Just looking for some general thunderstorms this afternoon and evening in the heat of the day. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast and a 50-50 shot for a shower or storm this afternoon and evening. I think once the heat of the day gets built up, I think we're going to see some stuff pop up across the plateau. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we bump those rain chances up to 70%. And that's not just heat of the day type stuff. That could be some morning activity as well. Although, on every day of the 5-day forecast, the greatest chance for showers and thunderstorms is during the heat of the day in the afternoon and evening. Highs in the mid-80s every day this week. Overnight lows in the upper 60s to near 70. By Friday, it looks like we'll drop back down to a 50-50 shot for showers and thunderstorms, but I'll keep an eye on that part of the forecast for you. Looking at our Premier Generators threat outlook, again, same story. Not looking for widespread severe weather, but any of those storms that pop up can be isolated strong with gusty winds, lightning, and heavy downpours of rain. Weichert Realtors bringing us our extended threats. And again, got that flash flood risk with any storm that develops this week. And then next week, we're monitoring for a possible heat wave. The tropics are becoming more active. I have more information on that on the website and in the app. But at this point, it doesn't look like anything is going to impact the mainland of the U.S. We have an area that will likely become a tropical depression and tropical storm within the next 24 hours. It's way out in the Atlantic, and it looks like as it moves westward, it's going to curve northward. Would probably be more of a threat to Bermuda rather than the mainland of the U.S. in about a week to 10 days. So things could change with that, but more than likely, there's a lot of a model consensus on this thing turning northwards. So, but anything else could develop at any time. It's that time of the year. We're nearing the peak of hurricane season, so I'll watch all that very, very closely. We have the Farmer's Almanac updates. I update this every Sunday night to be published on Monday, and the Farmer's Almanac continues to forecast isolated thunderstorms and hot. I think we're going to have a little bit better than isolated, but we'll see. Dog days end today. They ranged from July 3rd to August the 11th, but then you see there by the moon signs for this week. If you want to quit smoking, if you want to try your fruit, color your hair, wean your animals, or cut your hay. I've got all kinds of tips there on the days that's best, according to the signs of the moon, according to the Farmer's Almanac, the days that are best to do those things. Bramble Travel bringing us our On This Day in History. 1940, a Category 2 hurricane struck the Georgia and South Carolina coast. 13-foot storm tide, they're calling it storm surge is what we call that now, was measured along the South Carolina coast, and then significant flooding, the worst since 1607. That is insane. And landslides struck Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Virginia. So this was some of the flood markers for Helene were compared to this 1940 storm. Damages relating to the storm totaled $13 million, and that's in 1940 dollars. And of course, 50 people losing their lives. 1998, lightning strikes and kills a man while working in his tobacco field in the Wormingham community in northeast Overton County. Overton County being the county seat for Livingston. The lightning bolt injures 2 others nearby. So we have to be very, 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 very careful with lightning and make sure that we know that if we hear thunder roar, we certainly need to be moving indoors for sure. You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For even more weather information, go to meteorologistsmart.com.